Well, hello there. I haven't been on YouTube in a minute. And as you could tell, a lot of people are running back to YouTube as a result of the recent TikTok drama. But let me tell you really why I haven't been here. One of the reasons I haven't been here is because one of the things that I've always wanted to share on this channel is cooking tips and oh my God, that's good. It's cooking tips and what has happened to me over the course of I guess the last couple of years is that a lot of people have moved away, and so I don't have as many brunches and gatherings as I've used to have. And so when I've decided to cook something, if I wanted to share it with you guys, I would have to eat everything I cooked. And as you can see, I have been eating, but I wanted to get away from that because it was putting weight on me. The other reason that I haven't been here for a while is because I went over to TikTok because I saw an opportunity there to do TikTok shop and bring a little coin into the household. And I have to admit, I really do love TikTok shop, and I'm just not getting into this phase of the TikTok shop of TikTok live shopping. I am starting to like TikTok live shopping. And I know that you can do that I think you can do it on Amazon, and YouTube is thinking about getting into it, is what I'm hearing. But at any rate, I think I want to spend my time doing live shopping or video reviews on products that I have used that I think would be beneficial to you to purchase. I like doing that. I just do. And what I didn't want to do was spend my time cooking up a whole bunch of food that I end up eating because I'm not trying to feed the entire neighborhood at my expense, but I end up eating and then I end up gaining a lot of weight. So I kind of shied away from the cooking just a little bit. I still eat every day, and sometimes on TikTok I share what I'm eating and things like that. But as an older person, we tend to eat the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. I eat a lot of beans, I eat a lot of sardines, I eat a lot of greens. Those are the three things that I eat almost weekly. Greens, beans, and sardines. I eat that a lot. And I just like, nobody wants to see that over and over and over again. So I am coming back to YouTube, and I am still going to share cooking stuff, but I'm also going to be sharing review stuff. And I want to encourage you to follow me for that, because it's not just going to be cooking stuff that I'm reviewing or stuff in the kitchen that I'm reviewing. I am interested in stuff for the home as a whole. And then there are other few things that I'm interested in also. I'm going to be sharing my interests. And I don't think it's good to kind of box us all into a box and say that the only thing that Val Taylor can do and the only thing we want to see from her is cooking content, because that's not what I'm all about. I'm more than just somebody who enjoys cooking. Okay, you get it? So I'm coming back to YouTube to build up this platform back up and to specifically diversify the platforms that I'm on, because I don't know what's going to happen with TikTok. And I want to learn more about YouTube live shopping when they get ready to get into live shopping. And I want to practice becoming a better reviewer. And so that's why I'm back. I hope you consider joining me. I hope you consider subscribing to me. I hope you consider to following me. I'm back on YouTube, and I'm going to periodically be posting videos here, sharing some of the things that I've reviewed and that I enjoy. Because I'm really not gonna share stuff that I don't really like. I'm not gonna share garbage stuff. I'm just not. I'm not. If I don't feel, I'm not gonna share stuff. Let me put it this way. I'm not gonna share stuff just to sell stuff. You get it? I'm going to share stuff to sell stuff via live shopping when YouTube goes to live shopping that I actually believe in. kind of what I want to do. I want it to be a good review, an honest review, a legitimate review, but I'm also going to still share some cooking things. So I hope you'll continue to follow me. And if you're not following me or subscribing to me, I hope that you'll subscribe to me and join in. It's going to be fun. And just understand that a person is more than just the one thing that you may know them for online. I have a lot of interest and a lot of things that I enjoy, and cooking is one of those things. Entertaining is one of those things. But now that I've gotten into the TikTok shop and I've learned how to create shoppable videos, and now I'm learning how to do shoppable lives, that is another thing that I enjoy doing, and I wanted to share that with you. So welcome to the party. I hope you click that button to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Y'all go out and make it a great day. I'm Val Taylor. Go out and make it a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.